Good evening. Today we can see that cash flow statement, video number 10, accounting for fixed asset. So here you can see that the model is given in which way we are recording that. Just you may can see. And first of all, that if this is the balance sheet, if the thing, for example, any asset, fixed asset, if that fixed asset is given in the balance sheet, like that, for example, we taken furniture is given and its amount is given, some amount, for example any amount here is given and here is also given, and as additional information, if depreciation is given or any third item is given. Today you take the example of depreciation. Furniture is given and its depreciation is given as additional information. Only one figure is there, and before we had seen that depreciation is given here as two figures. So for example, here depreciation is given in the balance sheet as that 60,000, here 40,000. That means 20,000 is that the 60,000 and 40,000. So before we had seen in this way, this is a depreciation, and the remaining amount, that means 20,000 we taken as the depreciation amount, and the furniture amount, the difference amount. For example, if furniture amount here is 1 lakh and here it is 1,20,000, so we consider that 20,000 is that a sale of asset. We had consider in that way. But now you can see that here is no figure is given, and here is figure is given, furniture 1 lakh, and here previous year 1,20,000, and here is also one figure is given. For example, any example, if it is 40,000 is the depreciation, that means this depreciation is not included here. That means that is not reduced from furniture, that we may have to reduce. I think you got this. Last year we learned that how to calculate the depreciation. If you have some doubt, you may have to check that last year's also, that depreciation is clearly mentioned there. So here you may can see that in balance sheet two figures are given. Two figures of furniture is given or any fixed asset is given, and its value is given. Maybe the value here more, that means we purchase it. This is meaning is that we sold. Most probably it is meaning is that we sold some item, and in the current year, if amount is more, means we purchase it. This is showing that we sold something or depreciation. And in additional information here, we know that some additional information will be there. In additional information, if it is given that depreciation or something regarding to this is given and one figure is given, that means this depreciation is not reduced from that furniture account. So we may have to make a furniture account for this. In order to find out that the actual values, we may have to make a furniture account, and so we may have to create a furniture account. Here you may can see that previous years or the base years amount, that is 1,20,000, we will mention here. 1,20,000 we will mention here. This is debit side, we will mention this is in the debit side. And why we are mention it is in the debit side? Because all asset, or especially that fixed asset, is a debit balance is there. It is showing a debit balance. That is why balance brought down will be, we will mention that balance BD in this side. In this side amount we will mention here, and here this balance is there, furniture for the current year. That balance carried down will be there. That balance carried down we will show in the credit side, balance carried down. And here you may can see that some other items I mentioned, this is supposed to come. For example, next we may can see that if depreciation is there, if here we mentioned that depreciation 40,000, that means 40,000 depreciation we will mention this side. and this here we are mentioned only current year depreciation. We may can see that depreciation we will record here if it is that depreciation is for current year. Next we may can see that if in this question you may can see that value of asset is reduced, that means we sold something. So here if sale is there, then we may can mention that asset sold for how much rupees, that sales is there, that we may can mention here. Through this, if it is purchase, that means in this case amount is more in this side, that means current year amount is more than base year, then it is considered as that purchase. Then the amount we may can record here in purchase side. And through that, if there is any profit or any loss, if profit comes, that profit we will record here, and if loss is there, we will record that loss in this side. This you have to understand that either sales or purchase, both will not come. Most probably that only one item may come, and in this case also profit and loss will not come at the same time, only one item will come. I hope that you clear this. Just we may can see that according to this example, here 1,20,000 will be there, and here 1 lakh will be there. Depreciation is there 40,000. So total amount you may can see that 1,40,000 is there, 1,40,000 is there, and here 1,20,000 only. That is why the same figure we will write here 1,40,000, and different is that the 20,000 is there. So here the difference 20,000 we will write. This is, you can see that to bank, that means purchase. This is not the sales. Here you can see that even though here less amount is there, after reducing that the writing of that depreciation, you may can see that this is 20,000. We may have to mention as that the purchase by bank we will mention. That means we purchased asset for 20,000. So we will get that 1,40,000 here also. But the end of the year it is showing that balance is that 1 lakh only. So if leave these figures now, we may can go through these items. For example, if there is this difference is there, if there is a purchase is there, this we may have to take in that cash flow statement. Investing activity we will show this is purchase, so we will show us that reduce cash outflow. That means we will show that less items, reduce items, this amount. And if there is P&L account, profit is there, and this we have to consider in two places. One is that this amount will be shown in that the sold items, we may have to show with that, and the profit, how much is that the profit we got, that we may have to reduce from that the operating activity. Before that working capital change, there we are how to reduce this item. I hope you understand this too. This thing, that means if there is purchase of any asset, ignoring that furniture, you consider here fixed asset. If any fixed asset is purchased, that thing we may have to, if we are we got that this is as for purchase, then we may have to take it consider it is in the investing activity. We have to reduce from investing activity that much amount. And if there is profit on sale of any asset, that means when we are doing here a figure is come, that is through the profit, then that figure first we may have to reduce it from that the operating activity before working capital change. There one heading is there, you may can see that there is previously we did that the format in that you may can see that there you may can reduce this. And depreciation you may have to add in that item, operating activity we may have to add this depreciation. Next is that if sale is there, if there is sale of asset, any asset, that means if there is any amount, then we may have to consider this is in the investing activity. Opposite of this, that means we may have to add this. Both will not come in one case. There may not be any chance. So if here a sale is taken place, then you may can see that sales amount we will consider in the investing activity, we will add with that amount. And if there is any profit is there, that profit will be added with this. And if any when a purchase is there, and if there is any loss, that is also during sale time only, not in purchase time. In sales, if there is any loss, that loss amount we will show here, and this loss we will add in the operating activity. In the operating activity, first, before that working capital change, before that heading, we have to add this amount if there is any amount. And here is only one will come, either profit or loss, any one will come. And if loss comes, we will add there, and we may have to this will be reduced in the sales, this amount will be reduced. These things I hope you understand, and tomorrow we may can solve a problem with this, then you will understand more. Thank you.